If you're planning a cruise anytime soon, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're covering 10 cruise essentials that you'll need to make your trip fun, smooth, and stress-free. In the description box below, I've linked everything I've mentioned today so you can easily pick up all your cruise essentials before you set sail. So stay tuned. First item on the list, must have, is beach bag. This is mesh material. I use it when we go onto the ports, when we go to the beach. It has the mesh material, so you don't have to worry about toting sand back onto the ship. It is a large bag. It can hold your towels, clothes, your scuba gear, your sandals, whatever your wish desires. It can hold it. It does have pockets on the side. It is big. It is durable. I love it. You can fold it. It doesn't take up space in your bag, your luggage, or whatever you're carrying. So definitely grab that. Our next must-have item are the packing cubes. Listen, if you haven't gotten on to the packing cube train, you need to get on it now. This is an absolute game changer. I love it. I use it everywhere I go, not just on cruises, just anywhere. They come in multiple sizes. They do have little pictures on them to kind of give you an idea what it can fit. They have sizes for your sweaters, for your jeans. They even have a cosmetic bag, laundry bag, shoe bag. Listen, and they come in different colors. I bought one for all of my kids, different colors. Your packing cubes, it is mesh. You are able to see what's inside of it, so do not sleep on it. It has handles as well. I never really had to use the handles, but yeah, get creative. Do not sleep on these, okay? Must have. So the next item on the list are your luggage tags. There are different sizes, so depending on what cruise ship you're going on, has different size tags. So I do have these. These are from Royal Caribbean. I couldn't find my Carnival one, but they do sell them as a combo. They are universal, so you have to really make sure you are checking the size. It is waterproof. It has a little Ziploc area for you to have your boarding luggage pass into it. So I like it. I use it every time, over and over again. So it doesn't break. This puppy's not going nowhere. So the next item on the list is this waterproof crossbody belt bag. It comes in different colors, in a pack of 2. I like this. It is waterproof. The point of it is to hold your items from protect your items from getting wet. This does come in a pack of 2. It's for men, for women. It comes in different colors. It is durable. I definitely recommend that you do test it out before you actually put your items in it and dump it in the water. It is securable, so when you open it, you do see the Velcro. It is a thick Velcro, so it's holding it right, and it's actually folded down. So you would unfold it, and then you would open it. You would get to the little plastic, little Ziploc part. It is there's 3 rows of that Ziploc. You see that? Look at this. This bad boy is not getting wet. So when you open it, it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's enough to hold your items. I love using it while I'm going onto the port, to the beach, while I'm in the pools. You can wear it crossbody, or you can wear it as a fanny pack. Again, I like it. It's durable, and yep, water's not getting in this baby. It also has the straps where you can adjust, so it is comfortable. It is very lightweight as well, so I wouldn't, try to put everything in it. Just your most important items that you want to keep on you. All right, and the next item are your portable straws. Definitely must have. On the ship, they do normally have the paper straws. We're not really a fan of it because it does get soft and soggy after a while. Some of the ships, they offer the candy straws, which my kids love it, but I'm not a huge fan. It can extend. It comes in a pack of 4 different colors. You can hang it on your backpack. Also comes with a brush inside. So once it extends, you're able to take the straw out. You can clean inside of it. Make sure, your straw always stays clean. So that is definitely a good thing to have. All right, the next must-have item is the pre-poop toilet spray. Now, this spray, the point of it is to trap in the odor smells and not mask it. Um, the toilets, the bathrooms in the ships are really small, so you know we want to be courteous of others. So all you do is shake it. You would spray it 3 to 5 times into the toilet before you use it, and it actually works. I use it every single time. I even tell my husband to use it. I have to remind him. Next item on the list is this portable handheld adjustable fan. It is one of my faves. It is battery operated or rechargeable. You can adjust it a 90-degree angle. It normally comes with a lanyard. I have no idea what I did with it, but it'll bend in this position. You can put the lanyard on and it'll blow. It does have 5 speeds. It is a LED type of lighting. They said it's good for 8 hours. I haven't tried it for 8 hours, so I cannot speak for that, but you can hear it. That's like on 4. You can hear it. It is good. It feels good because it's really important to have something like this on the ship. It gets really hot out there. The fan also comes with a base that you can use to put your phone in front of. I've never done that before, but it does have that option if you would like that. I think it's pretty cool that it's multi-usage that way, but give it a try. So the next item we have is a pill organizer. I always speak about taking meds with you. You don't want to purchase any medicine on the boat. It does cost more, and you want to make sure you bring the ones that you like to use. It has a small compartment, guys. It's really cute. It has little miniature compartments, so it's about 10 compartments. It also comes with stickers, so there's no scissors needed. It's easy peel off design. You just simply tear it and stick. It is customized. They do provide extra blank stickers for your own labeling, but they have anything you can think of as far as cold and flu. They do have seasickness, leg cramps, anything for even laxatives. I recommend that you store this on your carry-on bag so that you don't lose it. Keep it with you at all times, just in case. I did have one before. I did lose it. So I did purchase another one, and I'm ready to put all my stickers on it and put my pills in it. All right. So one thing you are going to experience when you're on the ship is looking for your room. So you may have a moment where you can't find your room door. You may have to sit there and try to remember what room door you have, which I hope you don't ever have to go into anybody's room. But we do have decals, the door decals. They are magnet. They do stick on the doors. It's cute to have, it's exciting, to decorate, but also to be able to identify your door very quickly. They do come in a pack of, I believe, a pack of 6 or 7. And, you can put it all around your door, different decorations and colors. This does help. It didn't help my husband too much because he did happen to go into a wrong cabin. So make sure you keep your decals and you remember what type of decals you have so that you're not walking into the wrong room. Your magnet hooks. These, they So the next must-have item would be the magnet hooks. They are magnetic, so they are sticking onto each other. They do come in a pack of, I believe, 25. And the point of them is to be able to make some extra space. Your cabin walls are magnetic, so you can apply these. So it doesn't hold just anything, but it can hold your swimsuits, your hats, your lanyard. Sometimes when the swimsuits are a little bit damp, I do hang up on the walls, not when they're dripping or anything, just so that it's kind of out of the way. We're not hanging it on the balcony or anything, so don't sleep on these. There are some more items in the description box below, so definitely check that out. Also, what you can check out are pack with me items for carry-on cruise on your embarkation day, so definitely check that out as well, and I will see you guys in the next video.